Hello! In this video, we will show you how to set up your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Lumio. The capsule holder is designed to fully isolate the capsule from the rest of the machine, keeping your machine clean longer. Plug in your Lumio. Switch on the machine by scrolling the selection wheel. While Lumio warms up, the indicator light on the selection wheel blinks red for about 40 seconds. When the machine is ready, the indicator light turns green. To save energy, Lumio turns off after 1 minute of not being used. First, remove the water tank. Rinse it with drinking water. Then, fill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the rinsing process. Press the grooved button to open the capsule holder. Place the rinsing tool inside. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still rinse Lumio. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Use a container to collect the water. Select the 7th bar with the selection wheel and move the lever to the cold position. Lumio will start rinsing. This can take about 30 seconds. Once the water flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. When the indicator light turns green, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Now, move the lever to the hot position. Lumio will start rinsing for another 30 seconds. Once the water flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. When the indicator light turns green, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Remove the container. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Reinsert the capsule holder. You can adjust the drip tray. There's a low position for large cups, a middle position for medium cups, and a high position for small cups. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Lumio.